Welcome to Musa Species Fruit Bunch Packing Aid. First of all, let me introduce you, banana tree. Musa species is its scientific name. In Malaysia, banana tree is the second most widespread fruit tree planted after durian. As recorded, there are 894 hectares of banana farm across the country with 492 metric tons of yield. Most of the farmer in Malaysia choose to produce banana because of the high market demand and stable market price. However, there is also risk in planting banana tree as it needs 10 months before it can be harvested. Thus, farmers face more risks such as disease and pest problem which can affect the banana yield. So, banana fruit bunch need to be protected. Wrapping it with the plastic wrap is a must. However, banana farmers are having problem in wrapping the banana fruit bunch. Average height for banana tree is between 3 to 4 meters. However, average height of men in Malaysia is only 1.6 meter. Usually they need to use ladder when wrapping the banana fruit. There is risk of accident from falling off trees. So, we came out with this idea. The idea of this innovation came in when we saw some men when fishing. The tools they use like fishing rod and fishing net can be combined together making a single tools aiding in wrapping process for banana producers. The alternative items that can we use are bamboo stick replacing the fishing rod, circular iron or wire end, rope, large rubber band and plastic wrap replacing the fishing net. When we combine together all those items, now it is ready to use as an aid in wrapping banana fruit. Thank you.